5 surprising benefits of rosemary tea for your brain and body. Welcome to Health and Fitness University. Did you know a simple cup of rosemary tea can sharpen your memory? This aromatic herb, often used for cooking, hides powerful secrets for your health. Today, we'll explore 5 surprising benefits of rosemary tea that can transform your brain and body. Stay until the end. You'll want to brew a cup right after this. Benefit 1. Memory and brain function. First, rosemary is often called the herb of remembrance. Studies suggest that its compounds may improve memory, focus, and even protect the brain from aging. Drinking rosemary tea regularly can help you stay sharp and mentally active. Benefit 2. Circulation and heart health. Second, rosemary boosts circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen reaching your organs, including the brain. This not only supports concentration, but also helps keep your heart strong and healthy. Benefit 3. Digestion and stomach relief. Third, rosemary tea is a natural digestive aid. If you often feel bloated or heavy after meals, a warm cup can soothe your stomach, reduce gas, and improve digestion. Benefit 4. Stress and anxiety relief. Fourth, the calming aroma of rosemary can reduce stress and anxiety. Just sipping the tea or even inhaling its steam helps relax the nervous system and promotes emotional balance. Benefit 5. Anti-inflammatory and detox. And fifth, rosemary has natural anti-inflammatory properties. This means it helps reduce swelling in the body, supports joint health, and even aids in detoxification by supporting your liver. So there you have it. Memory, circulation, digestion, stress relief, and detox, all in 1 cup of rosemary tea. Try 1 cup daily and feel the difference in your body and mind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves natural remedies.